swear, you son of a bitch! Who do you think this is? Who do you think this is? Who do you think you are? Don't you ever, in your wildest dreams, ever do that again in your wildest dreams. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
You're lucky I can't get my legs right.
Do you hear me?
You're lucky my legs.
Say mercy.
You're lucky.
You're lucky.
You're lucky on my legs.
Don't ever, Chris, if you, in your wildest dreams, ever.
Oh man!
You're ripping my shirt.
Oh man, this is funny.
Stop my nose. Fucking. You ripped my shirt. You're biting me.
Can't move. Fuck, man.
You give up, Pete?
No, I don't. I never do. It's a thing. I never do.
Look like you give up.
Watch this.
We're watching, Pete. Wow. Oh, this is funny. You should just bite his nipple.
Are you ever gonna do that to my room again?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! This is actually an even fight.
You done? I'll stop because your legs. Good?
I just farted.
I'm stopping because your legs. I'm stopping right now.
I actually stretched my legs out. Fuck. Hold up.
Oh Lord. That's how Pete gets. What you